Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is Friday the 12th of April. I just want to show you, this is the first weed and tidy up of the year. We did a good weed last year. I'll show you in here. We have what I use: nail down, a couple of forks, cutters there. Yeah, as you can see, need a good weed. There's my hoe in the middle. I have a good hoe. So yeah, now I'm handing these, getting to weed in between all these plants. I'm going to get some fabric, cover this right hand side down the path. So I just get sick and tired of weeding this all the time. So I'll get some landscaping fabric, some black. Yeah, some clips. And probably put some bark chippings on top of there and just let the plants come through that I want. Yeah, here's the rest of it. I'm going to show you before and after. This is the before video. As you can see, I cut the grass last week, so that's grown back nicely. Beautiful primulas. And look at that, wow, now that is what you call a red flower. All this will get weeded, the big border there, all the way around. And I need a jet spray just to get rid of all the moss. So yeah, I'll put you on pause and I'll get on with some weeding now. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And if you can just see, we have, I've been a little bit busy today. Started weeding in between my perennials, as you can see here. Hopefully we'll get the rest done tomorrow. So yeah, we did in between everything. I'll show you something here. These lily beetles, look at those. Nasty little things. Look. See those there? Just there. There then. So I'm going to give those some down there as well. Come out here, show you the difference. Being munched on. So I'll give those a really good spray. Got some down here. Don't know if you see how bad these are here. Look at those. And that's all of my lily beetles. The primulas looking very nice. These are my daylilies. Hopefully you don't get the same thing they had last year. This is like a little infection, a little mite eats its way into the flowers. But yeah, just go over with the little hoe, little trowel, weed in between. It's the first time I've weeded since last year, with the edge of the lawn, which I love doing. So yeah, just got probably halfway done. You can see there, before and after. Just been over this with the hoe. Hopefully this will die by tomorrow. And then what we can do then is get this done. Got the bluebells just coming out as well. Yeah, the bluebells there. You see those coming out. Then we have the ivy here, which I'm going to fetch down from right up there. I like it to be about there. I don't want it any further, any higher than that. My peonies here. Get the birdseed off there. Nice flowers, centred, really nice. Come down here. We have my beautiful bleeding heart, Dicentra. Love those. Hollyhocks suffering from rust. I could give this a spray. And the leaves that you take off, dispose of, not in the compost, in your waste bin. Look at this wrapper, sick of these wrappers blowing everywhere. Down here, That's the first Aquilegia I've noticed. It's absolutely amazing. Another peony there. Nice dandelions. This dicentra, the wind has blown it over. The wind here is terrible. Should be up there, like so. Still nice though. I'll get down to these tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to dig all these up. These are my bearded irises. Dig them all up so I can get to the weeds in the centre, and then we'll replant some of them. Show you what's just landed on me. Look at my little friend there. There you go. Some more there. But yeah, wow, look at the redness on that. That's absolutely amazing. And then we come down. Some more lily beetles down here on my lilies. I shall get those sprayed. My spray came just the other day before. So yeah, the sun, it's a really, really nice warm day today. I'll get these weeded. Once those are weeded, put some sweet peas in there. My jasmine, clotted cream, coming back nicely. That should smell divine. And here's where the bench used to be. So I need to make a bench or buy a bench for there because I really do enjoy sitting there. These are my popcorn peonies. Just be starting to get some flower buds on them, which is great. And my agapanthus, going from seed and some from the garden show. So yeah, I've got just up there to do, around there, and then we're all set for this year then, for the front garden. So if you've got any questions about anything in my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.